young player of the tournament, Pau Kubasi, one of two teams in De La Fuente's side. How could the goal not go to anyone but the goalkeeper who conceded just once in the entire competition? Unai Simon. This award was first handed over actually at USA 94 to Belgium's Michel Proudhon Courtois, Emi Martinez, and now Simon.
Well, he didn't have to get his gloves worn today, did he? He was a bystander in this match. He was a lot busier. But Unai Simon, I think he would have expected to have had a bit more to do than he did, but I don't suppose he mattered. He minded one bit.
Another look that says, really, me? One goal conceded. And the player of the tournament is the Spanish captain, simply regal in his position. A leader in his comportment, a leader in his style of play. Last time Messi, this time Rodri. Modric has won it, Zidane has won it, Ronaldo and Romario, Schillaci and Maradona. This time, Rodri of Spain.
To his very best. Fans of Manchester City will be delighted. Certainly, Spain supporters are ecstatic about the part he played, and I'm sure he's delighted after that ACL injury. Even he must have wondered where his career was going, but he's back to the top.
Cak laut.
Masih di kemarin cakap.
Three happiest Spaniards on the planet.
Spain.
Not this time. For Messi, for Argentina, this time it wasn't to be. This time, even the greatest conjurer in the history of the game couldn't quite cast his spell. Messi's magic will endure forever. But 4 years after captivating Qatar and hoisting the trophy high, the simply beautiful, unmatched Lionel Messi must settle for second prize. And so must all of those who wear the stripes of La Albiceleste. 7 World Cup finals, 3 wins, and now 4 defeats.
Yeah, I think to Leo Messi, he saw it on his face. The manner of the defeat would have hurt as much as anything. They're never really in with a shot, which must disappoint hugely.
Who, in so many ways, bore the weight of expectation for Spain and bore it Alan with such class.
He certainly did. Talk about his talent, his ability, but his character as well. On the big stage, he's growing. Magnificent young player.
Kubasi
Lăng về man.
leaves as a stellar man. There's the goalkeeper that almost nobody could beat. For Correa, a royal at Real Madrid when the new domestic season starts. But after Victor Munoz, it just leaves the captain, who will follow up the coach, De La Fuente. De La Fuente, who has gone where only Vicente Del Bosque led before.
Em solo mi.
poised, distinguished individual. What a coach, what a teacher of young men. Well, until now, the ultimate thrill for Spain.
จอยโดนต่อย
Extraordinary privilege has fallen only to Iker Casillas, that heady night in Johannesburg 16 years ago. And now Rodri steps forward to live that same dream. The embodiment of Spain's certainty, their poise, their class. Rodri
Ako alito. Nekat. Senjani. Ako alito.
Naroja reach for a second star.
ลาดาเจ้เนี่ยแหละก็เลยว่ากับ
It will be brought to them.
เฮ้
The president of the game, the president of the USA.
เดี๋ยวเราทำอะไรเราเบส
On foot on the team royal too.
In 2026, the champions of the world are Spain.
Messi.
Viva España! The best team has won it. And the best player the world has ever known leaves in tears. This time the party belongs to someone else.